Guys, let us try to understand computer in detail. So computer is an electronic device that takes input, then process it, then gives you the output. So it takes input from input device like keyboard. Okay, this is the keyboard and it is also called as input device, and processing is done by CPU, and it is the brain of the computer. Okay, this is the CPU. Okay, this is the chip, the processor is called as CPU, and it is the brain of the computer. So guys, most of the students, they think that this box is the CPU. It is not a CPU, it is a cabinet. Okay, and then it gives the output to the output device like monitor. So guys, it is like when let us say I ask you what is 2 plus 2. Okay, you heard my question from your ear. So your ear is your input device. Then you calculate what is 2 plus 2 on your mind. So your mind is your process. So, and when you calculate it, which means you are processing what is 2 plus 2. And you tell the answer 4. Okay, so mouth is your output device. The same way, the keyboard, you type 2 plus 2 on keyboard. This is your input device. Then it will process this processor. Okay, it is installed in this cabinet. Okay, CPU cabinet, you can say, and it will process what is 2 plus 2. After processing it, it will give you the output what is 4. So monitor is your output device. So computer is an electronic device that takes input, then process it, then gives the output. It takes the input from input device like keyboard, and processing is done by CPU, and CPU is the brain of computer, then gives you the output to the output device like monitor. So it stores, this computer stores the data for further processing, and computers understand only the binary numbers. Binary numbers, zeros and ones. They don't understand our normal language. They don't understand English. So when you give any command to computer, it will be converted to binary numbers. Okay, and computers required power supply to DC power supply to work.